You can spend 5 years building muscle and still look small in a t-shirt. That's the brutal truth most guys never hear. Because looking powerful is not just about size. It's about proportions. It's about shape. And more than anything, it's about shoulder width. A guy with average muscle but broad shoulders instantly looks athletic, dominant, more aesthetic, more dangerous. Meanwhile, another guy can bench heavy, train hard for years, add 20 pounds of muscle, and still look narrow. Why? Because most people train shoulders completely wrong. They chase front delts. They chase pressing strength. They chase exhaustion. But the athletes who actually look wide understand something different. Width is engineered. And today you're going to learn the 3 hidden movements that completely change how your upper body looks. No complicated machines. No bodybuilding fluff. No wasting years doing exercises that barely change your frame. But stay with me, because later in this video I'm going to show you the invisible mistake silently destroying your shoulder width right now. And once you notice it, you'll never stand the same way again. Here's the first thing you need to understand. Your shoulders don't just grow. They expand your silhouette. Most workouts focus on making the shoulder thicker from the side, but visual width comes from one muscle almost nobody isolates properly, the lateral delt. This muscle is responsible for pushing your frame outward. It's what creates that sharp capped look that makes your waist appear smaller and your upper body look broader. And this is where most guys sabotage themselves. They use momentum, swinging dumbbells, letting traps take over. It feels intense. But visually, very little changes. Now listen carefully. Elite physiques are built through precision, not ego. That's why the first movement is the leaning lateral raise. This movement changes the entire resistance curve. Grab a dumbbell, hold on to something stable, lean your body slightly away. Now raise the weight directly out to your side until your arm reaches shoulder height, not higher. The moment your elbow climbs too high, your traps steal the tension, and the muscle responsible for width stops doing the work. Control every rep. 2 seconds down. No swinging, no rushing. 3 sets of 12 each side. And if your shoulders start burning halfway through the set, good. Here's something most fitness channels never explain. Your body only adapts to tension. It can't escape. The lean removes the easy part of the movement, which means your lateral delt stays loaded from the very first inch. That's why this exercise feels completely different from regular raises. And if your workouts feel stuck right now, this might be the exact detail you've been missing. But here's where things get interesting. Because even after building stronger lateral delts, a lot of guys still don't look wide. This is where frustration begins. You train consistently. You improve. Your shoulders feel stronger. But visually, you still look disconnected. Why? Because shoulder width is not just about muscle. It's also about structure. The second movement is the wide push-up plus. And at first glance, it looks simple. That's why people underestimate it. Set your hands wider than shoulder width. Lower yourself slowly into a push-up. Press back up. But don't stop there. At the very top, push even farther. Drive your body away from the floor. Round your upper back slightly. Hold for 2 seconds. That final push is everything. Because now you're activating the serratus. And this muscle changes the entire visual structure of your upper body. If you've ever seen athletes who somehow look wide even while relaxed, this is usually part of the reason. The serratus helps your shoulders sit correctly. 3 sets of 10. And here's your cue. If you feel tension under your armpits along the ribs, you found it. And now we get to the hidden factor. This is the mistake quietly destroying shoulder width for millions of people. Phones, desk jobs, hours sitting forward. Over time, your shoulders drift inward, upward, collapsed. So even if you build muscle, your posture hides it. You could already have decent shoulders right now and still appear narrow because your frame is literally folding inward. This is why some guys train endlessly and never visually transform. Their body is fighting against itself. And this final movement fixes that. Dead hang scapular pulls. This exercise looks tiny, but its impact is massive. Grab a pull-up bar with a wide grip. Let your body hang completely relaxed. Now, without bending your arms, pull your shoulder blades down and slightly back. Small movement, huge correction. Hold for 2 seconds. Then, slowly release. 3 sets of 10. And here's the cue that changes everything. Think about driving your armpits toward your hips. That single mental cue instantly opens your frame. It places your shoulders where they were supposed to be all along, and suddenly, you don't just build width, you reveal it. Now step back and realize what you actually trained today. Not random shoulder exercises, not junk volume, not another mindless workout. You attacked the exact 3 systems that determine how wide your body looks. First, you built the outer edge with the lateral delt. Then, you connected your entire upper body through the serratus. And finally, you corrected the posture and scapular position that unlocks your natural frame. That's precision. That's real transformation. Because discipline is not doing more exercises. Discipline is mastering the right ones. Most people waste years chasing soreness instead of results. They confuse exhaustion with progress. But elite athletes understand something different. The body changes fastest when training becomes intentional. And if you stay consistent with these 3 movements, your physique will start changing in ways people notice immediately. Your shirts fit differently. Your waist looks smaller. Your frame looks stronger. Even before massive muscle gain. And that's powerful. Because the goal isn't just getting bigger, it's looking undeniable. So if you've been training hard without seeing the transformation you want, stop chasing random workouts. Start training with precision. Focus on quality, control, discipline. That's how aesthetic physiques are built. That's how calisthenics athletes create powerful frames without depending on machines. And most importantly, that's how average bodies become elite. Now it's your move. Train these consistently for the next 30 days. Stay strict. No ego lifting. No cheating reps. Then, look at your frame again. You'll understand exactly why shoulder width changes everything. Subscribe to Omega Body if you're serious about building a disciplined, aesthetic physique through calisthenics and real performance. And comment the body part you want to transform next. Because once you understand how the body actually works, you stop wasting effort. And everything changes.